Get started, we have got a very outstanding personality with us. So let's talk to her what she thinks about her own personality. So I have first question for you. First of all, let us know something about your personality. What kind of personality you are?
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Nazia. So I want to tell about my personality. I think I am a very kind-hearted, and I think I am a too emotional. It is not good for everyone, but I am. I don't know why, but I am like that. So and I am a person who has excitement to meet everyone and want to talk everyone, and I always want that every person who I meet, it he and she will be become my friend, only friend. I don't only in friendship.
So as you have mentioned, I just want them to become my friend. Have you ever experienced you try to be familiar with someone but someone has started building castles in the air because you are very jolly type, so the person is thinking now she loves me. Has it ever happened with you?
It is always happen. Especially when I talk to boys, and it is my personality. I don't know who is in front of me. I always talk in my style, either he is a girl or he is a boy and girl. But boys always think that he engaged with other with me. Something is happened.
Something is fishy.
But I only
It's my nature. I just talk nicely.
yes I जान लेती हूँ.
Okay, first I know the person. Analyze person's personality.
Yes, I analyze the person personality. I observe everything before I think that after that he will say to me anything. So first of all, I say to him that if you think about that, it will never happen. So stop here.
Okay, I have another question for you as well a counselor. Do you really think can conversation fix many bugs in the relationship?
Yes.
Please let us know something because you are already a counselor and today I met someone so they just asked me tell me about a counselor, we will pay for that. So I will take your name if you can guide us today.
So it is a very good way to talk each other and any other person when you have so much any frustration, any anger, and any disturbance in your mind. So you can, if you meet someone and talk to them, if he or she not your close friend, but in that situation you talk to them, you feel very free, and it is a better way that you when you feel down, so you can talk to other people.
Can you give a recent example of your personal life where you fix something in your life just with the help of conversation?
If I talk about me, whenever I feel so much depression and sadness, so I just want that I will talk to any person who is my friend or any family member. Every time I want to share my all things. It is a very good thing when you release your talk, so you feel free. So it is a very good way.
Okay, I have another question for you. Like, what do you think nowadays we are having so many rift in the relationship? What are the common reasons? Because you are a counselor, that's why I'm asking. You must have knowledge about it. Otherwise, I would not ask you these questions. What are the common issues that you generally listen to the people in the relationship?
First of all, I always seen that about my friends. They always have some issues each other. No matter they are how much loyal each other, but they always have some issues, trust issues. They trust each other, but sometime something happen different with them, and he she think that it is not be happen with us. If he she do this thing, so their interest मतलब अलग जा रहा है.
Okay, they are going on a different path.
They are going in different paths. Yes.
Did you ever help somebody in your life?
No, sir, but I always, who is my friend, I always suggest them, and firstly, I talk to them. If they never ask me and they never want to talk to me, but I don't know why. I observe everything, and first of all, I always talk to them before you want to talk to me.
Okay. Nowadays, whenever I take the opinions of people about friendship, so they generally say your true friend is who transfer money to you all of a sudden when you are in need. Do you really think if you ask money your friend and she can't help you, so she is not your true friend?
No,
Do you think that is the measurement of friendship, that the way you will measure your friendship, because she can't help you financially? So what's your comment on it?
so friendship is like that who always support you, who listen to you. First of all, who listen to you every time, and he never disrespect to you. And it is not important that you want to get any financial help. If he she not
You can do.
if they can't do to you,
If they
so
can't
it
help
is
you.
not that they are not your true friend. True friend means that who always listen to you, who support you, who understand your feelings and emotions.
But I have seen number of times people stop talking or having conversation at that moment when they don't get help and receive help from someone, because they think now friendship ends here.
Because their friendship based on these things.
Okay. So you think the friendship is completely based on the financial terms?
Yes.
They are not the true friends actually.
Who is a true friend who never think about that things.
Okay, I have last question for you. I just want to listen to your Man Ki Baat. You want to tell something about you, about this world. You want to make any statement about this world, anything. Speak freely. The stage is to speak anything you want to speak. No restriction.
So first of all, I want to share one thing that if you want to be happy, so first of all you think that no one can make you happy. It is a expectation that you have to others from others, but it is not a true thing. First of all, you always remember that if you want to happy in your life, so depends only on you, not other persons. That's it.
Well done, clap for myself. So we have got a